Hello and welcome. I'm Liam Bastick, and on behalf of Sun Product, Microsoft, the MVPs, and other technology experts, welcome to Excel Virtually Global 2021. And remember, it's for charity. Now, you may have looked round our website already, but I'm not sure if you noticed all the words, so please let me take a moment to just run a few past you. Microsoft's most valuable professionals, or MVPs, are technology experts who passionately share their knowledge with the community. They're always on the bleeding edge and have an unstoppable urge to get their hands on new, exciting technologies and, most importantly, share them with you. This virtual conference, now in its seventh year, presents Excel, Data Platform, and PowerPoint MVPs together with other acknowledged experts from Microsoft and/or around the globe to present, answer questions, and demonstrate the future of Excel and how it's going to make your life easier, both personally and professionally. Now, most sessions will be recorded, so you can watch them later with downloads aplenty, so there's no medals for staying up to watch the entire event live. So from your own favourite chair, bring a laptop, an inquisitive mind, and your sense of humour. Be prepared to learn heaps. And remember, as I said before, it's for charity. The presenters have all kindly donated their time to make this as informative and entertaining an event as possible. Therefore, we'd be extremely grateful if you could make a donation to a charity of your choice and advise us in US dollars, because we don't know how to do the conversions, how much you pledged, as we'd love to keep track and keep you updated. Now, this is an honesty thing, so whatever you do, it's simply going to be between you and your conscience. So if you would like to tell us what you've actually donated, please could you use the QR code here, or alternatively just type in the bit.ly link at the bottom, remembering it's case sensitive. That's bit.ly/EVG 2021 charity. Thanks for listening and enjoy Excel Virtually Global 2021.